tea brewed in porcelain is neutral in flavor. A porcelain teaware shows your tea exactly how it tastes, smells, and appears. It can also help you to find out what quality of the tea it is. Keep in mind, the same tea brewed in different types of teaware with the same water for the same amount of time will taste different. In this video, we will show you how to use Yixin Zhisha teapot to brew tea. If you like certain teas and know the taste of them very well, you may consider starting to brew your teas with different types of teawares. You will find your ideal teapot for each type of tea through experimenting on your own. Feel free to check out the description link below for more teaware options.